Hello and welcome to Writing with Rachel. This is a free online video workshop for children and their families. We cover poetry, prose and other kinds of creative writing, so I really hope you'll get involved and have fun. This week our overall theme is music and song. An American poet called Walt Whitman wrote a poem called Song of Myself, and in it he said, "I celebrate myself and sing myself." So for our warm-up this week, I'd like you to think of 10 good things about yourself and write them in a list as a way of celebrating and singing yourself. Press pause on the video and write your 10 things now. How did that go? Sometimes it can feel a little uncomfortable to think of good things about ourselves, but it's a nice habit to get into. For our first main exercise, we're going to do some writing to music. I have 3 different music clips, each one is a minute or 2 long, and I'd like you to do some writing while listening to each piece of music in turn. They're quite different pieces of music, so I think that what you write is going to be quite different for each of them. There are no rules and there's no set topic for what you're going to write about. You can write about anything you like. It's a little bit like our free writing exercise a few weeks back. What you write might be a story or a poem, or it might just be fragments or a description of something. Anything is fine. Start writing when the music plays and stop writing when it stops, and then we'll move on to the next piece. If you need to take a break in between them, feel free to press pause. Okay, we'll start with our first piece of music now. How did that go? Now we'll listen to our second piece of music. Here we go. We have one more piece of music to go. I hope you enjoy it. Here it is. How did you find that? Were the pieces of writing you created quite different for each piece of music, or did you find they were quite similar? Was it one continuous story that you told that just changed in tone with each piece of music, or were they separate individual standalone pieces? I think it's really interesting how the sounds around us can affect our mood and affect our writing. I know that what I write on a calm, quiet day is quite different from what I write on a day that's very busy with lots of noise and fuss and stress going on around me. For our next exercise, I'd like you to think of a song you know well. This could be a nursery rhyme, a pop song, anything you like. And I'd like you to change the lyrics. You can change them any way you want. You can change them to be about a completely different topic, or the song could be about the same topic, but just the way you write about it is different. Think about how you're going to keep the same rhythms, and if the song rhymes, maybe you'll put some of the same rhymes in, but you're going to change the overall words. You don't have to do the whole song, just a little bit is fine. You can do as much as you like. Press pause now and think of a song and change some of the lyrics. How did that go? If you like, you can record a video of yourself singing the song with your changed lyrics. You can ask a parent to send it to me at writewithrachel@gmail.com or to share it on social media with the hashtag writingwithrachel. As our final exercise today, we're going to go back to thinking about Walt Whitman. He said, "I celebrate myself and sing myself." We're going to write a poem about ourselves, but with a little bit of a twist. I want you to write a poem about yourself where everything you say in it is a lie. So an example might be, Rachel is 10 feet tall. Rachel lives in a cave at the bottom of the ocean. Rachel really hates poetry and hopes she never has to read any of it ever again. It can be things that are the complete opposite of you, or it could be things that are things that you would like to be true, but aren't true, or aren't true yet. It's completely up to you, but it should be a poem full of lies about yourself. Press pause on the video to write your lies poem, and then come back. Did you finish your poem? I bet it's really fantastic. I hope you've had a lot of fun today, celebrating yourself, singing yourself, and writing about music and songs. If you've enjoyed this video, you can click on the like button or hit the subscribe button if you'd like to be kept up to date with future workshops. No matter where you are or what you're doing this week, I want to celebrate and sing you. I hope you have a safe time. Happy writing.